Good morning. I've been thinking and I've decided that I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I haven't yet decided exactly what it's going to be, but it will be power tools, maybe a gift cards, just to show you a little bit. Possibly M12 inflator. I have tons of power tools that I may be giving away. And this is just some of them. But like I said, it'll be 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Just appreciation. Please like, subscribe, and share, and maybe give some ideas as to what you guys would like. Thank you.